The sky was painted in a soft gradient of twilight as the world moved swiftly, driven by ideas, dreams, and a thirst for innovation. In the heart of this ever-evolving digital landscape emerged a device that symbolized precision, elegance, and forward-thinking brilliance. The 2026 iPhone was not just another smartphone, it was a culmination of Apple's relentless pursuit of excellence, a masterpiece of technology and design that redefined what was possible in the palm of one's hand. Crafted with an elegance that whispered sophistication, the body of the 2026 iPhone shimmered under natural light, its edges refined to a level of near perfection. The newly engineered aerospace-grade titanium chassis not only offered unrivaled durability but also contributed to a lighter, more balanced feel. Every contour was sculpted with purpose, every detail considered down to the micron. Holding it felt like holding a piece of the future, smooth and seamless, made to integrate naturally into everyday life. The display stretched from edge to edge, a canvas of pure clarity that brought visuals to life with unprecedented vibrancy. Apple's next-generation Promotion XDR display offered a refresh rate that adapted dynamically, ensuring smooth motion when needed and conserving energy when not. Whether immersed in cinematic videos or editing 4K content on the go, the visual experience was breathtaking. Colors were richer, blacks deeper, and the brightness reached levels that made even sunlight irrelevant. It wasn't just a screen, it was a window to another world. Powering the 2026 iPhone was the revolutionary A20 Bionic chip, a marvel of engineering that fused raw power with intelligent efficiency. Built on an ultra-efficient 2-nanometer process, the chip handled complex computations with ease, from gaming and video editing to augmented reality and machine learning. Tasks that once required high-end computers were now achievable in an instant on a device that fit in a pocket. The neural engine, more advanced than ever, constantly learned, adapted, and personalized the phone's behavior in real time. The camera system was nothing short of astonishing. Apple reimagined photography with a tri-lens array that worked together seamlessly to capture the world in all its nuance. The main sensor introduced photon acceleration technology, allowing unprecedented low-light performance. Night scenes became vibrant with detail, stars glistened without grain, and even candle-lit dinners transformed into rich memories. The ultra-wide lens captured vast landscapes with clarity, and the telephoto lens brought far-off subjects into intimate proximity. Apple's computational photography pushed boundaries further with Smart HDR6, Deep Fusion Plus, and AI-assisted framing that elevated amateur photos to professional-grade works. Videographers found a new ally in the 2026 iPhone, with cinematic mode now supporting full 8K video recording at 60 FPS and live depth tracking. The phone intelligently adapted focus based on storytelling context, bringing characters and subjects to the forefront with